I don't want to jinx though.
She was waiting to make a joke this whole time.
What?
I was saying this whole time.
That's racist, bro. That's racist.
This whole time to make a joke about it.
Get ready. Make a joke about what?
Them doing the monkey.
What was the joke?
That's mad racist. Right.
What was the joke?
Nice. How they all eat dogs. Come on.
Inflate your balloon
Wait.
to about 6 inches from the end.
You need more space.
And we're going to tie this off in an unusual way.
I'm so confused. Why would the monkeys eat dogs? I'm so confused.
No, he said she eats dogs.
Because I'm Asian.
Right.
What? Well, why would you eat dogs? Does she not know about the joke? How you watch anime? I mean, no, what's that called?
Wait, you don't understand?
How you not understand?
Okay. Just let's just not understand.
Okay, then you just.
Let's just not understand.
I've never heard a racist joke about Asians other than them eating white rice with everything. What? That's not. That is kind of true though. I do that myself.
Did you ever see a cat hanging in front of an Asian store?
No. But I have.
Hold on. You never seen that? You never seen them eating dogs, cat? And that's why we have mystery meat?
Okay.
You never seen a cat on the street and then one day it go missing?
She said when she started it, right? She said something about a monkey, right? She started it, right? Yeah. Okay. Then, hey, where's the pencil so I can erase?
I'm just saying.
Wait, how do I? No, I don't pay attention
Wait, no, mine's
to
just going
racist
down.
comments. I don't know why it does that.
Where's the pencil?
Nobody's gonna understand. We just wasted a whole 2 minutes of being racist.
Somewhere.
No! Where's the pencil with the eraser on it?
A literal pencil or the balloon? Oh. Because I'm confused, because like...
I love how I got this in video.
Alright.
No, I don't listen to racist comments, so I don't know.
You don't need to know that comment.
What?
Are you sure?
What do you mean?
You need way more
It
tail
says
than
6.
Who said that?
Him. He said 6.
Bro, this is my 6th one. That's good enough.
Shit. That probably is 6 to your
Here,
fingers.
Starting from the nozzle end, you need an extra long nozzle. So here's how we're going to do that. So hold, and then what you do is you pinch, and then let go of the right hand, and you get an extra long nozzle. Let's do that one more time for safety. See, I can demonstrate it one more time. So
I'm so confused. What
squeeze with the left fingers here, let go with the right.
Bro, what?
Are you understanding? You tied it. Oh my god. Yo.
Was I not supposed to? No! Don't worry, I got y'all pop for you. Yo, make it small, because that should be traumatized.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. Bro, what? I know how to pop a balloon and not how to make it
Okay.
sound like it's going to explode.
All Hold it. Oh my god.
Shut up.
See, I can demonstrate it one more time. So, you squeeze with the left fingers here, let go with the right, then you get this extra long nozzle.
Are you serious?
Now you want to tie this off.
Because we don't... Alright, tie it.
There it is, a little extra length on our nozzle. Now we can begin our monkey balloon. We're going to start with a pinch twist, so it begins with a very small basic twist. Turn this into a pinch twist. One pinch twist. If you like, you can tie this, but it shouldn't be a factor here. Now we're going to begin with a basic.
She didn't get that.
He definitely got that on camera.
I want to do this.
My bad.
Wait, no, she not. How does he only have one?
Twist of about 2 inches. When making the monkey balloon, always think small. A second pinch twist to match the first one. make a basic twist here to match the one here. And twist these two
Hold
together.
the hell on, bro.
With a basic twist of about 2 inches. When making the monkey balloon, always think small. A second pinch twist to match the first one. Now we're going to make a basic twist here to match the one here. And twist these two together.
How'd you end up with this?
How do you end up with that?
Because you just...
So you didn't
You
want
can see the monkey face forming. Now we're going to make
What is
one
this?
more basic twist here to match these. And twist this in.
Yo,
I'm so lost.
make one. Gap, make one.
Yeah, so I make a gap.
You have 2. They're supposed to...
We could have gone.
No. Alright. We're about to do the frog, bro.
You want it?
I'm not doing this shit.
So you don't want to make a balloon that looks like him. So we're gonna continue, y'all. Let me just.
Alright. Frog.
Go look at it on TikTok. It's not easy.
Watch them go like mad fast with this shit.
I don't know. I feel like it's easy. Come on, who makes it the fastest? Stop playing.
I'll still... I won.
And you didn't record no content.
We're recording it. I won.
I won.
Look at it.
It's a sword. It don't matter. It's a sword. I
I
won.
think Sana won.
Of course you do.
She did.
Yeah, of course you do.
She literally
Yeah,
did.
of course you do.
He's mad.
I won
He's
that.
real mad.
I won that.
so
I
mad.
won that. What is that?
A sword?
Why you got that point still? I won.
What is yours? Look at the size of your hand.
Yo, we don't talk about it, bro. This is the best.
You sound like a dying cat.
That shit you better eat. Go ahead. This is the best looking sword.
What?
Lloyd,
Huh?
don't do that.
What happened?
You said that you're about to eat. Don't do that.
I